Hi, this is Kate from Izzalicious Designs. So the next one we're going to do in this yarn tutorial side of things is how to do a magic ring. There's a couple of different ways. We're going to do the first way with a chain stitch. So as per our previous video, let's do our little slip knot. So this is your tail end, this is your working end. You're going to wrap it round your fingers and pinch with your thumb, put your hook through, grab your working end, pull it through and tighten up your slip knot, okay, like so. Now we're going to chain a couple. To do your chain, you're going to put your yarn over and pull through. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now depending on how big of a hole you want this to be, is how many chains you do. Let's do 5 and 6, okay? And then we're going to go through our first, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We're going to go through our first chain with your hook. Go through your first chain right here, okay? Working end, not your tail end. Yarn over, pull it through that loop. Okay, so you've got 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over again and pull the yarn through those 2 loops. That's how you do a single crochet. Now, in order to turn this into a ring, what you're going to do, you don't have to go through each of the little stitches of the chain. What you can actually do, and at this stage also I should mention, you would put your stitch marker so that you know this is number 1, okay? Otherwise it can get a bit crazy. What you can do is put your hook through the hole in the middle. This little hole in the middle here. Can you see it? That's where you're going to put your hook through. So if you're asked to do a magic ring of, say, 6, you put your hook through, you yarn over, pull it through the hole, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops. That's a single crochet. Do it again, through the hole, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. And I can see I lost my thread there. So that's 2. Let's do 3, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, 3. Let's do number 4, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through. Let's do number 5, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through. Number 6, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. So that is now a magic ring with 6. Now as you can see, you could fit more through. This here, I'm going to zoom in so you can see clearly what I'm talking about. This here is our first stitch, not this little one here, okay, not this one here. That's not our first stitch. This here is our first stitch. This is just how the yarn goes up to join into our first stitch. This is our first stitch. So if we were doing now a round of increases, okay, we don't start here, we use our hook and we go through this first stitch. Get your tail end out the way, you yarn over, you get your stitch marker out the way, yarn over, pull it through that first stitch, yarn over and pull through. You would change your stitch marker to this stitch, okay, and if we're doing 2 in each stitch, again you would go through that first stitch, yarn over, pull through, there's your 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. This is our second stitch. Put your hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops and again for your second stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. See how we're doing the increase around? Here's number 3, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, join those together. Through that third stitch again, join them together. Here's our fourth stitch, yarn over, pull it through the stitch, yarn over, join them all together. We've got to do another one in that stitch, push it through the stitch, here's our fifth one, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, join them together. Do the second one in that stitch. So this is how you do a single crochet in the round, it's called, because we're working in a round. Yarn over, join them together. Here's our last stitch here. Push your hook through, yarn over, yarn over, yarn over, yarn over, and look, so there's our magic ring that we started, and we've gone all the way around with our increase stitch. Okay, and yes, doing it this way you do have quite a bit of a hole in the middle there. Alright, but that is how you do a magic ring with a chain stitch. I'm going to show you another way in just a second.